So I asked my husband to help me with the title for this painting. And his reaction after looking at it for a pensive 20 seconds, 3 zucchinis and a smashed one. So there comes the title. I went to the Goodwill today, and I haven't been in quite a while, but I am fully vaccinated, and I've gone through the period of time where I'm supposed to wait, and still wore a mask and took care of myself and made sure those around me were still at a distance. But I went out and I got some stuff that, some frames, which I don't normally get, but I thought about just doing it because I'm playing with making my own. But I got a couple frames, and one in particular for like $2.99, and it's just a smaller. It's like 11 by 14, and so I'm going to kind of show you what I thought about doing with it, just to make a small gift, a painting, a paper painting that you can put in there to give as a gift, to sell in gift shops, or to sell online. A lot of these types of paintings are ones that I will sell in gift shops and local small gallery shops because they're perfect. They're smaller, and you can price them in a price point that, in my area, especially if people are visiting in the DC area, then there's some shops that they like to go into and pick something up and go home and have a piece of art from a local artist. So let me pop over to that camera. Let me get my glasses so I can make sure I'm going to the right camera. And I'll just show you what I thought about doing. All right, so this is the frame, and the glass is dirty. Of course, I need to clean the glass if I use the glass, but it was $3.99. So let's see, what color was this? Goodwill is great because they'll have times where, like, I got a dish. I love getting cute dishes to put my art supplies in. If you get them on the color of the week, and it was blue today, I got a cute little dish for like $2. And then, when you get tired, you can give it back away, recycle it back, or you can give it as a gift, all sorts of things. So let me take the glass out of here and put that to the side. And here is the frame. Now I could just leave it as gold if I had a picture that, a painting that seemed to fit in there. Or I could use matte. This is one of my mats I keep down in my art studio for looking at things, but it's in good shape. So here's what that would look like with a painting. But I kind of would like to see this black, so I'm going to paint this black because I only paid a couple dollars for it. And I love black and white. That's colors. Those are colors I love. So I do have some paint. I have a large area that I paint in. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just do it right here. I keep a fan on down here. I keep it ventilated, so I'm good to go here. So let's do it quick. Let's see. So I'm going to slide this over. Now that's kind of a wild piece. Let me get my mat. That's really pretty. I like that. Bring it down. That almost needs some wildness. That's really pretty. That's just a piece, kind of like an overflow piece that I had. And these are just ones I picked up real quick. I don't like that as well. I like that blue. This would be one that I would probably use this corner down here, or I would cut this up. So let's see what I have here. I mean, these are just, I don't even know what I'm looking at here. These are just pieces that I have several places. I have lots of pieces of paper. So, let me see. You never know what they look like when you're going to put a frame behind them. Frame in front of them. I don't think any of these are going to work, but you know, that's cute, but I don't like it. That's not enough. Not enough. Not jumping out at me. This needs more black in it. Now that's kind of pretty. The flowers. That's not enough. So I have two that are somewhat not there yet. Just not there yet. A lot of these are undone too, but might strike me. That's unusual. Now, see, what I would do with something like this is if someone bought a painting that was real similar to these colors, I may put a mat around that and put that in as a thank you gift. I think I did these on a YouTube and sold a couple of them. Sold a couple of the pink ones. These are too small, but see, that'd be kind of cute. If I were to do something like do a white, total white background and floated that in the middle, that would have been kind of pretty with the gold frame. But let's keep looking. That's just a piece of a book that I painted on the top. But that's kind of pretty. But that's not what I'm going for. But that would be kind of cute. I think I'll pull that over to the side just for giggles. Let's see. It's kind of wild. Too much. I have a lot of these upstairs already in the frame. In the mat. I may go grab some of those. That's pretty, but I need some more black in that. That'd be nice to make into a floral. So right now I have two down here. It's very abstract and then a floral. It's kind of pretty. So right now, that's kind of where we're at on those. All right, I found some more that I thought might be interesting to look at. This is one I just did the other day while I had some extra paint, and that might be interesting to frame. I like that. I like be kind of fun to have the difference between a very geometric shapes here and the floral type corners on that painting. So I like that. Here's another just very simple one. I think I have it narrowed down to this one. This one with the dragonfly, the landscape, or this very flow art. And I had the other flow art, which almost I felt needs a little bit of black in it. So let's put that back. So we're down to 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think I'm leaning towards this. So let's wait until that dries, and then we will regroup.
So I wanted to give you a sneak preview of the next video, and that are two other frames that I got at the Goodwill. These are they're kind of like a goldish, and they're 19 by 19, and through the process of how I took out the print and added in my own artwork. So be looking for that one, and I hope you enjoy both of these.